Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new walking pose on the dress room press update. So you have to enter the meet room here and you'll get a notification. Unfortunately, I didn't get that on film. So it is a walking pose. I was like searching everywhere for it, but it's actually here. Go to the walk section and it is the Star Baby Walk Pack. Select view and equip idle and equip walk. And it's going to look like this. Oh my god, that is so funny. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And yeah, just make sure you're in the meet room and a notification will pop up for sure. And it is in the walking pose here, not the poses. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.